What's up, Silo?
You trying to hit the club tonight?
I can't. I'm hanging with my side chicks.
Just bring them along.
No, bro, they are underage.
Yeah. So seductive.
Man, Soul never wants to share.
Facebook era, buck at it again. I know when I come for talk, I know when I come for talk. You, Mr. Asafa Powell, you need to tap it. This morning as my woman, wake up, she gone for your page. I come talk about, oh, your six pack them look good, and all that. Every morning you get up, you take picture, take off your shirt. You take off your shirt, because you know you're sleeping a shirt, you know, but you take off your shirt and take picture, you need to stop it. You need to stop it. Let me show you this. You know last time I run, how much I clock in? 8.5, 16 seconds. You're not faster than me. I run left you. I show people them something. I run left you. You're too out of that, man. Every man you get up, gone you carry them. When I know your bends, I range. Lift up shot, take up muscle and show muscle. You need to stop. You need to stop. I'm going to run left you. You need to run left you. You need to stop. I'm going to run left you. I'm going to run left you. Asafa Powell. With your thick self. I throw baby oil for your body. As new man get up and like up, you all your picture them. Asafa, me I run left you. Me I show you something. Facebook era, buck at it again. I know when I come for talk, I know when I come for talk. Jesus Christ. Me say Aishana love take people, man. Take me, Aishana, take me. Aishana, me say love take people, man. Take me, Aishana. Go take me, Aishana. Me I put the Benz in your name. Me say I love Benz, Aishana. Me I put the Benz in your name. Me I put the house in your name. Me love your song. Where your name? Me no remember but me love it. Aishana, come take me. Go take me, Aishana. You know long more somebody go take me. Go take me, Aishana. And me love how you say it proud too. Me love how you say it proud too. What, you have a problem with taking people, man? No. Me say me jump out of my chair and say, yeah, only girl can touch me cape and mask. Yeah, only girl can touch me cape and mask. You make me all run out of breath, Aishana. But for you, me run out of breath and drop a girl. How are you doing? Aishana, how are you doing? Me say you love me.
My big goat, yeah, baby daddy. Guess what?
What?
Me pregnant with Twix. No,
It's called
sir.
twins.
Twins. You don't stop outside. No, sir.
What you talk about? Twix and twins are two different things.
Baby daddy, shut your dunce mouth.
Are you dunce? Twix is a chocolate. Twins are when you have
No,
two
sir. Long belly crave boy. One X. You go call the pitney them, Bobby, cause you don't think them a chocolate. And them what you go do? Name them? No, sir.
Alright, idiot. 9 months before you Twix them son.
9 months? You mean 18? A two pitney me of idiot boy. No, sir. How much you getting a match? You're the dumbest boy me know up to this day. No, sir. Genuine band coffee.
I'm sick and tired of being so skinny and so fat at the same time.
What you need is juice.
What is this?
It's juice.
What's happening to me?
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm going to get all the bitches. Hola, beautiful. Can I have your number?
Ew, no way.
No problemo. Ehu de puta.
Que mata tu ser, el castillo. Yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal. Tú el aire que respiro yo.
Eu sou Pablo, eu sou o bar.
Laid on the floor. Yeah, this happened yesterday on the west they spray.
Siri, how do you say what's up in Spanish?
¿Qué pasó, maricón?
Vato, you won't believe what I saw. I saw these pack of guys and they act real hard.
And what they do?
They twist their
¿Qué pasó, maricón? No, don't shoot. Fuck Donald Trump.
Fuck Donald Trump. Fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump.
Me bumbuckler. Me bumbuckler. How are the bumbuckler? What are the bumbuckler? No, not a blood.